What is up, guys? Hello, good morning. This is many days after I've I don't want to say settled in because I'm still settling. This is many days after I've packed into this new place, and there are still some things that are not available in here. Like, there are some things that I need to get by myself. One of them is that which I'm going to be unboxing. In fact, today is about unboxing. This video is about unboxing different things. That is my new ring light. I'll be unboxing it in this video also. Today I'm expecting the delivery of my camera. Oh my god, they actually attempted to deliver it about 2 days ago, but then I wasn't around and they couldn't leave it because I needed to sign for it. So I went online, I scheduled a redelivery, and they're going to be delivering it today. So I am so expecting it. I am expecting it. Hope you guys are good. Hope you are fine. Where are you watching me from? Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And if you are new here, hey, hello, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you stay. Today is a day off for me, so I am going to go ahead and get to this video. I'll just start by unboxing this. The thing that I showed you earlier is actually jacket hanger, like an over the door jacket hanger, which I know that I needed. Like I said, there are still some other things that I needed too. Like, I need this toilet roll stand in the bathroom, which I don't have. I'll have to order that. So I'm still expecting some other things. I'll be unboxing it as they come in. But for now, let's get on into this video already. Address what they came there for. So from the onset, you let them know what the problem is and that you have a solution. It was really a headache for a lot of creators. So from the get-go, I let them know that this is the problem. Let's unbox this. So I got this particular over the door hook from Homebine. I got it from Amazon actually, but the brand is Homebine. I'm just going to add this to the list of the things that I need to discard. So I have some boxes there. Those boxes over there, I'm going to discard today. Let's fix this. Oh my god, my camera is here. I just saw a delivery van in front of my house now. Let's see if it is actually here to deliver my camera. I could literally feel my heartbeat right now. I don't think this one is for me. It didn't come to my house. Oh my. You know when your daddy or your mommy has promised you something for Christmas and you are so much looking forward to it? That's exactly how I feel right now. I just remember that they left me a "we miss you" card 2 days ago when they tried to deliver and I was not around. And I went on DHL website to check what's up. Apparently one of their drivers is out for delivery, and I am delivery number 37 and is at delivery 11 right now. So I'm still waiting 2 to 3 hours for him to actually reach my place, so I can get on doing other things now that I know when exactly My SD card for my camera is here. It is funny how the USD card that I ordered yesterday just came in now, and the camera that I actually want to use it for is not here yet. But nothing do me. Oh, I love this lighting. Let's just do a quick unboxing fast for this SD card. So I just finished unboxing the ring light now. It will be up in another video, which I'll be linking in the description box below. Seriously not understanding these people. So the DHL man just came in in the middle of shooting a video, and they pressed the bell, and I came here and they've actually left this parcel. See, this is the parcel. They've actually left it in front of the door, and the man was already leaving. The man was already like going to the car to drive off, and then I came out and he said, oh, that's your delivery, it's a delivery for you. Okay, thank you. And I brought it in, and I am sure that it's my camera. Like, it is my camera. What I am surprised about is that I was told I'm going to sign for this parcel, and he did not ask me to sign. I mean, he literally left it at the door and was going and was leaving. So why did they not leave it at the door 2 days ago and just go? Why leave it today without even asking me to like sign, and they just left? I don't understand. Is it that it is different drivers, different rules, or what? The main cocoa is that I got my camera. Right now I feel like a little child that their mommy or their daddy has bought them chocolate. God, my camera is here. Yay! Let's unbox this. Ooh. Ooh.
The next day.
Hey, they have delivered my chair, my content creation chair, my YouTube chair. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So I just got back from work. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I met this box. I actually knew that they delivered it because I got their message. I got their text message that they are going to deliver, and then I mean the time they were going to deliver was around 2 p.m. and I wasn't around. I wasn't going to be around, so I told them to leave it for me, which they did, which is good. So that is my what's it called now? That is my chair, my YouTube, not only YouTube though, my content creation chair. Really, that's the name I've given it. It's a swivel chair, it's a white chair. I so much love that chair when I saw it online. I really hope that it meets my expectation when I unbox it. I'm going to be unboxing it now. And will you believe that I have not unboxed my camera yet? God. Yesterday when they brought it, I actually got busy. I mean, there were other things I needed to attend to. Then I had to go out. Before I came back. You should understand. I got back home late at night, and then I had to go for another meeting online and all that. So up till now, I haven't unboxed my camera, but I think I want to unbox it now. So I just unboxed the camera. In fact, let me even carry it safe. This one that I'm talking, that I'm saying, let me put it to action.